Hey guys, I'm back in just to show you how to solve phone freezing on your mobile phone. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we change our YouTube channel from sharing free internet as it was declared illegal by the Google privacy and YouTube terms and conditions. So I'm gonna start in this video like to be sharing on videos on how to be making your phone fast both on the internet and in performance. So guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to solve phone freezing. Out there many phones have this problem of freezing too much, but this time around I'm gonna solve it. Mainly the cause is too much or when the storage is full. So open your phone in settings. After opening your phone in settings, go where there is storage. After going where there is storage, you're gonna load the storage, and my phone in storage is 64% used. But if your phone is like 99%, you're gonna go where there is free app space. After going where there is free app space, you're gonna go where there is idle apps, because there are many idle apps like this one messenger, and you delete. If you clean it, your phone will start. Many idle apps there, like on your phone nails, you can find that you have like more than 5 idle apps, and you're gonna go where there is also temporary files. Like in temporary files, we mean like take the cached data. Here on my phone, the cached data is about 3.9 GB. This cached data is somehow useful, like it's like the store it stores on the cloud, but your phone, if you don't need it, you can also clean it, because it does not even affect your phone's performance. It does not delete any of your phone's app, neither videos or any other media. So I'm gonna clean it, and I'm cleaning up the 3.9 storage cache data. After, you will see that my phone performs so fast after cleaning all the cache data and the temporary files. Thank you. You see my phone is so fast. Thank you.